The Russian Federation Armed Forces continue conducting the special military operation in the Kupiansk direction as a result of a Russian artillery strike on a concentration area of the Ukrainian Armed Forces troops and military equipment near Ivanovka of Kharkov region and Novoselovskoye of Lugansk region. More than 20 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 infantry fighting vehicle and 2 motor vehicles have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, artillery fire has hit Ukrainian Armed Forces units concentrated near Stelmakhovka, Chervonaya Dubrova of Lugansk People's Republic and Serebransky Forestry. In addition, 4 Ukrainian sabotage groups have been eliminated near Rozovka of Lugansk People's Republic. Total enemy losses in the Krasny Liman direction amounted to up to 70 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 2 pickup trucks. In the Donetsk direction, Russian troops have taken better ground as a result of the offensive. Artillery fire has thwarted attempts by the enemy to reconnaissance Russian positions towards Svornoye, Novgorodskoye, Vodinoye, Leninskoye and Nevelskoye of Donetsk People's Republic. More than 130 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 3 motor vehicles have been eliminated. In the South Donetsk direction, company tactical groups of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade and the 108th Brigade of Territorial Defense of the Ukrainian Armed Forces have been eliminated by artillery fire and active actions of the Russian troops. The Ukrainian Armed Forces unsuccessfully attempted to attack near Novomykhailovka, Vladimirovka and Novoselka of Donetsk People's Republic. 2 Ukrainian sabotage groups have been eliminated near Nikolskoye of Donetsk People's Republic. Total enemy losses in this direction amounted to 80 Ukrainian servicemen killed and wounded, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickup trucks. Operational and tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery have hit the temporary deployment points of units of the 61st Infantry Brigade, the 124th Territorial Defense Brigade and the Special Operations Center South of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Constantinople of Donetsk People's Republic, Kherson and Veletenskoye of Kherson region. In addition, 56 artillery units have been hit in fire-on positions, manpower and military equipment in 139 areas. 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down by anti-aircraft defense forces near Milovatka, Plasyanka, Nizhnya Duvanka of Lugansk People's Republic, Volnovaha, Nikolaevka of Donetsk People's Republic, Priyutnoye of Zaporozhye region and Kayuri of Kherson region. In addition, 6 HIMARS and Uragan multiple launch rocket system projectiles have been intercepted near Sladkoye, Debaltsevo of Donetsk People's Republic, Kremenная of Lugansk People's Republic, and Lyubimovka of Zaporozhye region. 4 US-made HARM anti-radar missiles have been shot down near Belgorod region. In total, 344 airplanes and 184 helicopters, 2,684 unmanned aerial vehicles, 398 air defense missile systems, 7,159 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 931 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,691 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,664 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.